Welcome to Oracle SQL Developer demonstration. In this demo, you'll learn how to install a JDBC driver into SQL Developer. To connect to a third-party database, you'll need to download and install the appropriate driver. When you open up a connections dialog, you'll see that we'll have a tab to connect to an Oracle database and to an Access database. Now, if you want to connect to other third-party databases, once you install the drivers, you'll be able to see the connection tabs for those databases. For this example, I want to install a driver to connect to either a SQL Server or a Sybase database. I can do a search on the driver JDBC. This is open source, so all these JDBC drivers are free downloads. Here it takes me to SourceForge. This is an open source site, and I want to make sure I install the supported driver version for these databases. So for JDBC, we support 1.2. You want to download the full distribution zip. Once you download that zip file, you need to go back into SQL Developer to point to that location. Go to Tool, and in Preferences, if you go to Database, select Third-Party JDBC Driver, add an entry, navigate to where you saved the file, and the file that we're looking for is a jar file. So go to JDBC 1.2, and here's the jar file that we're looking for. So once you've told SQL Developer where the location of the driver is, if you go back into the Connections dialog, you'll now see the connection tabs to connect to SQL Server and to Sybase.